Guess where we're going and who we're going to meet, guys. Stay tuned to find out. It's going to be epic. Pretty Corvettes out here. Oh, this is sweet.
Terrible, but
Yeah.
the cars
Yeah. Here we go.
Yo,
Got TWA Motorsports here.
the one and only.
One and only.
Live and in effect.
In person. And we're probably bouncing up and down, and y'all are going to hate it. Because, you know,
No, people get mad when you
they always
have
get
shake
mad at that.
reduction.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. No stability control.
That'll give them something to complain about in the comments.
Oh, yeah. Anyway, we're going to flip it around and do some Corvettes here.
Corvette watching.
Lots of vets. This has got to be the most Corvettes I've ever seen in one spot.
Yeah, these Corvette guys, they're hardcore.
I'm just kind of like, though, after a while, they almost all are looking the same.
Yeah, they do. I feel way safer though around this Corvette crowd than Mustang crowd.
Oh, that is very true.
Sorry for all you Mustang lovers out there. It is what it is.
Yep. Crowd control, we need guardrails for Mustangs.
Nobody's gonna drive into me and I'm gonna die here. I feel safe for my children.
Oh, I'd hate to have to keep that one clean.
Yeah, I see all this polished stuff and I think, man, these guys don't drive these cars.
No. Not unless they got Excel on or that clear.
Yeah, clear bra. Clear bra.
I really like this one, just because it's different.
I like this.
Bring back the old school.
I like this color.
Oh, yeah.
Zeus bronze.
Is that what that is? Zeus bronze.
Like you say, it's different, you know?
It is.
Probably won't be another one.
You know, this one on the phone looks blue.
Yeah, that was the color of my C7. Back when I had that.
Lippy boy.
Like you say, though, as you go, it's like
Yeah.
sometimes different stuff. Most for the most part, they all valid the same.
Yeah. That,
Split.
that is a heck of a splitter. I don't see. It's got to be bagged because I don't see how you get out. It's got to be something to get it off the ground.
Rubbin's racing.
I guess so. Rubbin's racing. Look at this one. That one's different. Mm.
Yeah. Went the other way earlier. It's pretty shallow. ZR1 there at the end.
Oh yeah.
She will turn you down.
Yep.
I've heard people do it and they're getting monetized somehow.
I think if you only play it for a short amount of seconds, you're all right.
Give you
I think.
strikes.
I think there's some programs though where you can actually trim noises from the background.
You can. The program that I use, you can. I just don't know that I've ever successfully done it.
Yeah. I think mine can too, but I haven't got successfully with it either.
When my mic's playing at me, I think it might.
Yep. Official pace car.
Friend that's had a couple.
Those look so much easier to work on though when you open the hood.
You like the old Grand Sports. I guess maybe I like Corvettes more than I said.
Yeah.
Let's see if Mike up here will take me out and show me this car. In the facility, I think. But anyway, we're gonna look at Mike's. You got C5.
99 FRC.
Oh!
Oh.
Yes, sir.
FRC!
Yes, sir.
You know how we feel about those in this channel. Everybody hates me except me and him. Oh, it's cuter. Oh, that's a good looking car.
Oh yeah.
Oh, and I like those wheels. Holy cow, you should have brought mine.
Yeah, those wheels are nice. Oh.
I love that color. Are those replicas or on the wheels?
No.
Those
C6,
C6 US.
C6 seats.
Oh, I love this.
Weight insert.
Oh, I like it. Oh, I like the steering wheel too. Flat bottom.
Oh yeah.
That's a good looking car. What else is done to it? Okay, so obviously we could see the outside stuff, but
So, nothing in the motor yet. Just an intake, cold air intake. I actually got an appointment to get heads cam done.
okay.
Just waiting for the parts to come in. Frankenstein heads.
Oh.
Little custom cam. Gotta
Stock
keep
bottom
it-
in there.
Stock bottom in. Gonna keep it a stock LS1. And then I think that's pretty much all I'm gonna do to it, man. I just put the coilovers on last week. Still trying to get the adjustment right. It's a little lower in the back.
Right. Yeah, that's some time.
Yeah. I need to drive it though. I never drive it. I really need to drive it a few hundred miles, right?
That's exactly how I've been with mine.
But it's settled, man. It's probably settled a half inch in the rear. It didn't sit like that when I first sat it down.
Yeah,
So-
the exact same tires as me too.
Yeah, a couple.
They fit. They
Because you know they fit. So
I
I
do
was
know
like,
they
man,
fit. There's
I'm
other-
gonna get the hand cook. I'm gonna do it just
that
like he did.
size doesn't fit in other tires.
It doesn't.
And so that's why
That's correct. Dudes always hit me up on Facebook. They're like, Mike, I bought some 305s, man. And I was like, well, what'd you get? And they're like, oh, I got like some Michelin. I'm like, the contact patch on a Michelin 305 is different than the Hankook 305.
I tell people that with the Trans Am all the time too. Like the Nitto drag radial runs a little narrow, and so it fits on a 315 on a Trans Am. The other ones won't fit. What kind of brakes are those? Are those
We're getting hit.
power stops?
Yeah.
We're getting hidden knowledge here from the boys.
Just like a
Hidden knowledge.
They work, and mine needs them so bad because the one thing I like about these is their seat wash. So that's what they look like when they've been used. They don't rust, and they work. I think did. I saw those.
Just trying to
You
be
got
different.
lights on the front, the back, the sides are all different. It just goes with that color too, you know. It seems like everybody just blacks stuff out.
I know, man.
And while that looks all right, I'm not a blackout completely guy. I don't know. I like different.
Yeah.
If everybody had the same taste,
I like the clear.
You guys want me to wait around so you can take pictures?
Yeah, this guy right here. What is this? An
Equinox. Oh, let's
What
see.
year is this thing?
Man,
What year is this?
3 years old.
3 years old.
3 years old.
There you go. Let's.
Vintage.
We'll stay right here while you do a burnout.
Okay. Watch the front wheel, man.
Okay.
The front one.
Thanks for letting us know that.
I think it's a better choice.
Yes, sir.
You got it.
Chevy Equinox.
Like this, everybody is a comedian out here. So is this yours then? C6. What year is it?
07.
07.
The lineup.
Auto.
Auto can long 200s.
Oh, Cam. Yeah, let's hear it. All right. He's
Ooh.
gonna show you up with his chop.
Ooh. Chop time.
Maybe this one will be chopping by then, and then that's gonna make me want to make mine chop. Although I don't need to be spending money on that.
It will be like, sorry, headphone users.
Right?
Beware.
Right? I'll be like,
It's coming.
Bad man. You wear headphones.
Oh, yep. Headphones.
Let's blow it out.
Oh yeah, you got the remote, huh?
That's one cool thing about Corvettes in the C6 generation is being able to drive and talk to somebody in the passenger seat without being really annoying with your neighbor later on.
She can't even sit still. Look.
I had a 2010 Grand Sport. What, 2 weeks ago, Justin?
Yeah?
Yeah, it had, and same thing from the same shop. The shop's right out here.
So did you have this at the same
Yeah.
time?
I have this 99 Camaro SS,
Okay.
my 2010 Grand Sport, and that's all I got. But I just sold my Grand Sport, so
That's all he's got.
that's all I got. I'm trying to be
You've
like
been taking pointers from him, haven't you?
I tell people all the time, I have a Corvette and then a bunch of trash. That's what I have.
Don't believe him out there.
It's junk. It's junk.
Don't believe him.
Hey, look, that's why I have this channel to work on, show you guys how things go.
Don't believe it.
Don't let him lie to you like that.
Don't believe it.
It's just crap. Anyway, well, guys, today it's awesome to come out and meet put some faces with name posts on the